Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a summer to fall eye makeup look, and hopefully this turns out as pretty as what I'm imagining it in my head. We'll find out. If you guys like the foundation I am wearing today, go check out the video on the Photo Focus Dewy foundation. I do have a review and full wear test up on my channel. Go check that out. So let's do eyeshadow today. I love eyeshadow. I just cleaned out my brushes. They are beautiful, clean. I have more brushes that I've added to my collection, so I'm ready to, try these brushes out. I'm so excited. So today I wanted to use the Garden Variety palette from Colourpop, and I do have a full video up on my channel of the Garden Variety palette from Colourpop, just an unboxing so you guys can see everything that has to do with the Garden Variety. But I really like this palette because it transitions well from summer to fall. I really like some of these darker shades in here. I think that the plum shades will really make an impactful, matte, pretty eye for fall. And this is definitely one of those palettes I think will transition well, even though. So we're going to use my Profusion. This is my Profusion brush. And we're going to dip into Prickly Please. This is a corally. Actually, it kind of reminds me of sand, like literally, but very, very pretty, very neutral shade. We're going to sweep this all across the lid from the crease on down because that's how I'm feeling today. Okay, so we just have a really light sweep of that color, and then I'm going to go into this one here. It's called Stay Sharp, and we are going to use Clay Day today because that's my husband's name. His name is Clay. I was like, Clay, there's a Clay Day color in here, and he was like, what? So maybe actually I'll use that one instead. So we're going to use Clay Day. Here's to you, my honey, for Clay Day. I have a Clay Day every day. Ooh, this color is pretty. So this one's kind of it is a very berry tone color, and then it also has a satin in it, and it's super pretty. It's blending really nicely with this brush. This is still the Profusion brush. I'm gonna build this color up and make it look super pretty. Fall is my can jam. It is my spirit season. I love fall. I can't get enough of fall. If it could be fall all the time, I think I would be happy because it's warm enough where you don't need a jacket, but cool enough where I'm not, sweating my balls off or anything, or, girl parts that we have. So I'm not sweating nastily, just from stepping outside. That is why I like fall, especially early fall, when it's still pretty warm, but cool enough where you can enjoy a, hot coffee without feeling overwhelmed by the hotness of coffee. Ooh, this Clay Day color is so pretty. I like that. I think I'm gonna still use the same brush. We're gonna use Stuck on You, which is a purple color. I'm gonna bring this in. I like how fluffy this brush is. It's kind of really blowing out the color. I want to see how this color goes because usually purples are a little bit harder to work with. So we're just going to really get it right here. Just doing kind of a V and bringing it in. Yeah, I like that color. I like how it deepened up everything, and still it's a little bit blown out. I mean, I did feel I kind of loosed some of the purple color. I thought it would be a little bit more intense. But then we're going to use Sucka for You. This is more of a burgundy. We're going to layer that on top of the purple. It's I want it to be a little bit more right here. Then I'm going to use this color here. I'm going to put this on the lid first, and then I'm going to put a lighter color over it, and hopefully it'll just kind of make it stick out and look really pretty. So I'm just going to use a flat brush for Deserted, which is this one here. It's a very white color, but I think it's going to agree. Yeah, that's what I want. I just want something super white right here. And I'm just using a flat eyeshadow brush. Really, any flat eyeshadow brush will do because you're kind of just pressing and dragging along. But see how clean that makes my eyes look? And then I am going to do up here real quick. Ooh, that looks freaking amazing. And this same little flat brush, again, it can be any kind of flat brush that you have in your brush variety. It doesn't have to be this one. This one's actually from Morphe. It doesn't have a number on it because it came in a set. So we're just going to wet this down. And then I'm going to take this color here. This one is called Wavelength. We're going to focus this here. Just bringing it in slightly. And then I'm going to take this color here. It's called Third Eye, and it's like a golden color, which is very, to me, very like fall vibes. And it kind of has like a green undertone. Actually, does it have a shift in it? No. So this is going more from the middle in, and it's going to blend in with the other colors. That's pretty. I like that. More or less, I'm just like patting this on my lid. Then just going to take that Profusion brush and we're going to blend that gold and the berries together. Then I'm going to take a teeny tiny little flat brush, and again we're going to use Wavelength, which is that really pretty shine. I'm going to really get the inner corner, like so. And then we're going to do the upper brow. Just like the little bit of a highlight there. Then I'm going to take this same brush because it's so tiny, and we're going to use Stuck on You, which is that purple color, and we're going to do the bottom lash. I like this brush because it's really going to concentrate that purple color on the lower lash line. So I'm going to comb through my eyebrows really quick, just using a Mellow Cosmetics brow gel because they're looking a little bit wonky. So off camera, I went ahead and did my lashes, and I used the Lash Princess False Effect Mascara. And then for lips, I used an AMUSE Cosmetics. This one is in Date Night. It's a lipstick. And then I also used a NYX Lip Lingerie. This one is in Lace Detail. So Lace Detail was underneath, and then I put this one on top just to kind of rehydrate and get more of that mauve-y lip color. So here is the finished eyeshadow look using the Garden Variety palette from Colourpop. Here it is. Again, like I said, this is a great transitional palette. You get a variety of really pretty shades that transition well from summer to fall. And I'm very like impressed with this look. I think it looks very fallish, but also kind of summerish. Like I could walk outside right now and I could, you know, go say hi to my neighbors if I really want to. Rona. This just has a really, like it has so many great colors in here. It has some really great brighter, poppier colors. It has some darker colors. So like I said, this is going to be a great transition palette from summer into fall. And I really like the eyeshadow look that it created today. I can't wait to play with that more because it's slowly becoming a new favorite of mine. If you guys want to see more eyeshadow looks on the Garden Variety palette, check out my channel. I do have a full like unboxing and a showcase of just the Garden Variety palette in my first impressions on that, and now you guys get to see this one. But if you guys want to see more of me playing with like the really, really bright poppy purple shades, the green shade, leave a comment below. I would really like to know. If you guys like this video, give it a good thumbs up, leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts, your opinions, and make sure you subscribe so you guys can see more of what's coming to my channel next. And I will see you guys later. Bye!